Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. No device drivers were found. Make sure that the installation media contains the correct drivers, then click OK. This usually occurs when you're installing Windows in your PC or laptop or any device containing Windows. So how to fix this? Let's get started. Just close this first. Click on repair your computer. Then you have to click on troubleshoot and then click on command prompt. Now what you have to write first here is type disk part and hit enter. Once you do this, then you have to type list disk, then hit enter again. Let's suppose you want to install Windows in disk 0. Just type here select disk 0, and once this says the 0 is now selected, you have to type clean. Once this done, just type create partition primary and then type format space fs equals to ntfs space quick. Then once this done, just close this and then turn off your PC. Once you turn off, just restart your PC and then try installing your Windows again. Hopefully your problem should be solved. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.